Hello, myself Dia. I am the career counselor of Maxmunus. Today I will go through a few specifics of the SUSE training course now. In this course, we will cover fundamental to advanced levels of training. If you are only concerned with receiving basic or intermediate guidance, it is also possible. We completely customize everyone's training program. Therefore, before giving the training to you, whether you are an individual or a business, we will change the agenda according to your requirements or the demands of your project. Here is the agenda for what the trainer is going to cover in this SUSE training video. Here we have the video's introduction, its features, its course content, its certifications, the required prerequisites, why one should choose Maxmunus as a trainer, then what jobs are available for SUSE, Maxmunus introduction, advantages of both corporate and individual training, then conclusion, and finally, how to contact or sign up with us for the SUSE training session. Next, now let's understand the core of our training. What is called SUSE? Let me read. SUSE Linux Enterprise Server is SUSE Linux operating system. SLES is based on OpenSUSE Lib, an open source operating system developed and managed by the OpenSUSE organization. SLES is frequently utilized with SAP software solutions. The following are some of the target use cases. Let's see. Migrations and replatforming from Unix to Linux. SAP appliances and SAP's cloud deployments. Next, now we have the basic features of SUSE, and the features are Unified Management Console. SUSE Manager offers a single interface for monitoring, deploying, and updating software across diverse IT environments. Automated patch management. Streamlined patching with automated procedures, updating multiple systems at once. Configuration management. Design and enforce configuration policies effortlessly for consistent infrastructure settings. Software lifecycle management. Simplify package management, version control, and deployment for optimized software performance. Next, monitoring and alerting. Ensure proactive response and high availability with real-time visibility and customizable notifications. Compliance management. Simplify regulatory compliance through auditing, reporting, and automated checks. Provisioning and bare metal deployment. Automate server deployment by provisioning directly from bare metal. Container management. Seamlessly manage containerized workloads with comprehensive orchestration features. Then, high availability and disaster recovery. Reduce downtime and mitigate failures with built-in high availability features. Then final one, extensibility and integration. Customize the platform to meet specific needs using versatile integration options and bespoke plugins. Next, we have the training material for SUSE. Let's look at it. The instructor has provided you with a list of a few subjects that will be covered as a part of the course material. The themes are listed below for you. Allow me to read. First we have Linux Basics. Here we covered Introduction to Linux, File System Understanding, Shell Commands, and Navigation. Then next, SUSE Linux Administration. Installing SUSE Linux Enterprise Server. Managing users, groups, file permissions, zipper package management, updates and patches. Then networking. Configuring network interface, DHCP, DNS, NFS and firewall setup with Yoast or CLI. Store management. Disk partitioning, file system creation, for example, ext4, XFS, then LVM, RAID configuration, storage device management. Then next, security. Enforcing security policies, SE Linux or AppArmor configuration, SSH for remote access, certificate and service security. Then next, virtualization and containerization. Intro to KVM or Xen. Docker containers. Managing VMs and containers. High availability and clustering. Setting up HA clusters with pacemaker and CoroSync. Resource management. Ensuring service availability. Monitoring and performance tuning. System performance monitoring with Nagios, Zabbix or Prometheus. Resource optimization, troubleshooting. Automation and scripting. Bash scripting basics. Automation using Ansible or SaltStack. Deployment script creation. Then the last one, advanced topics. Kernel tuning, server hardening, LDAP integration, OpenStack cloud computing, Kubernetes for container management. The main course materials that I have so far shown you are listed here. What the instructor at this SUSE training session might be expected to do. Moving on to the next slide, we have what are the benefits of certifications for SUSE? Let me read. SUSE certifications validate Linux and open source expertise worldwide. SUSE certifications pave the way for new IT opportunities and advancement. Certification programs offer practical training to boost technical proficiency. Certified professionals inspire confidence in employers through demonstrated competency and learning dedication. Certification sets candidates apart, showcasing excellence and commitment. Certified individuals enjoy exclusive SUSE resources, communities, and networking avenues. Here are the details of the prerequisites. That is, who are all eligible to this SUSE learning session. Fundamental knowledge of Linux command line operations and navigation. Knowledge of general networking concepts and Linux system administration. Understanding of the Linux file system structure and permissions management. Knowledge in managing Linux packages and software installation. A basic understanding of virtualization and cloud technology. Desire to learn about Linux deployment technologies and a desire to engage with both theoretical principles and actual exercises. Next slide we have why Maxmunus Trainer. Trainers are certified subject matter experts who can customize training as per requirement. Highly experienced professional trainer having at least 12 to 15 years of relevant experience. Maxmunus has industry expert certified real-time consultant to give proper certification guidance and tips. Next we have the job opportunities of SUSE in top countries. There are many job vacancies over the countries like Rome, Toulouse, Hyderabad, Sofia, and Prague. Next, we have the job opportunities in top companies of Accenture, IBM, HCL Tech, Microsoft, and Capgemini. What are the job vacancies for SUSE available worldwide? The finest resource, in my view, for finding a job in India is Naukri. Check out the Naukri website. I have already opened it for you guys. As you can see, these are the jobs available for SUSE in various sectors. You can check it here. And the locations we have Bangalore, Hyderabad, Pune, Delhi, Chennai, Noida, Mumbai, Coimbatore, and many more. You can check it in naukri.com. Let's talk about the compensation packages they provide. As you can see, there are several employment opportunities with pay ranging from 6L to 50L. The firms that are hiring for SUSE in India are subsequently listed, including Accenture, IBM, HCL Tech, Microsoft, Capgemini, Intel, TCS, SAP, Ericsson, and Advanced Micro Devices, etc. Now, DICE may be your greatest option if you are looking for employment openings in the USA. Let's look at it. You can see that there are now 5058 open positions for SUSE. You can check it here. And on-site we have 4064 and hybrid 609 and remote we have 535. Now, if somebody is looking for a job internationally, they can use LinkedIn, which is the ideal site for doing so. And currently we have 720 open positions for SUSE in worldwide. And these are the jobs available for SUSE in various sectors. And the companies we have SUSE, Less Duties, Initum, Clearance Jobs, Free Work, Vinci Construction France, etc. And the locations you can refer here. As we discussed earlier, the locations we have here like Rome, Toulouse, Annapolis Junction, Sofia, Hyderabad, Prague, Bangalore, etc. Now, let's go back to our main slide. Next, we have the overview of Maxmunus. Why should one choose Maxmunus Training Institution? A 15-year-old corporate training and project consultancy business is Maxmunus Institution. If we must discuss Maxmunus, we are one of the best firms for specialized technology training in India, the USA, UK, Europe, and many regions of the UAE. Customized training to individual is the main USP. One-to-one training can be arranged. More than 1,000 corporate trainings have been successfully completed by Maxmunus in countries including Singapore, Finland, Sweden, Germany, Austria, Israel, and India. Additionally, we have received great reviews and gratitude from our corporate clients all around the world. Those are the names of the top clients for whom we have already provided SUSE training in India as well as outside India. Let's have a look. Let's look into the next slide. We have what are the corporate training benefits of SUSE from Maxmunus? According to the needs of the company's project, training content can be modified. We do offer SUSE training at the installation and configuration levels. After training session has been successfully completed, employees may begin working on projects right away with the help of Maxmunus Corporate Training Program. Even you get to pick the venue, the training style, and the schedule that works best for you. Every participant will get certificates confirming they completed the course. Next, what are the individual training benefits of Maxmunus? Let's see the benefits. Customized training to individual is the main USP. Implementation and configuration level of SUSE training. Industry-specific subject matter experts, trainers for individual projects. SUSE course completion certificate to the candidate. Candidate will get to know the details of the certification exam process. Our key advantages: personalized training for industry specific. The opportunity to choose a trainer and see them in person for a live demonstration before the SUSE instruction begins. Each applicant will quickly learn every aspect of the SUSE certification exam procedure. Then we have conclusion. As we get to the end of today's session, and I can state that SUSE is comparable to Red Hat. It combines the Linux kernel and other open source components to create a stable, full-featured Linux operating system that can be purchased. SUSE provides many editions of its operating system to meet various sorts of environments and workloads. You can call us on the numbers below. If you have any questions or if you want to sign up for our SUSE training session, please make a note of all the phone numbers. Even on WhatsApp, you may contact us at the listed numbers. You may also send an email to contact@maxmunus.com, which is provided. Furthermore, one may quickly contact us by using the URL provided in the description box. In addition, you may leave a note in our live chat box here, and the appropriate individual will reply right away and answer all of your questions about the training session. So, join us as soon as possible for excellent career progression at SUSE. I sincerely hope you will adore and savor the entire SUSE course with Maxmunus. The main duty we have is to guarantee candidate fulfillment. Thank you.